Hello world, my name is Coach Benga. In this video tutorial I am here to teach you how to perform a one-way ANOVA test in Excel to determine if there is a significant difference between the three groups. As you can see, there are three different groups on this table, and the procedure below is the way to go about it. So you will start from the data tab and follow the rest of the step. But analysis toolpak is required to perform one-way ANOVA. If you need to develop complex statistical or engineering analysis, you can save steps and time by using the analysis toolpak. You provide the data and parameter for each analysis and follow the rest of the step. And then if you are using Excel 2010, load the analysis toolpak in Excel 2010. Note, it is possible that the analysis toolpak was loaded when you originally installed Excel. To check this, see if data analysis is listed under the data tab. The analysis toolpak is a Microsoft Office Excel and add-in program that is available when you install Microsoft Office or Excel. To use it in Excel, however, you need to load it. So, and then the following 4 steps is how to go about it. Under the File tab, you click Option. Let's quickly practicalize that. This is File tab, and then let's click on Option. And then from the option, we click on Add In. Then we highlight the Analysis toolpak, and then click on Go. After that, check the box that contains the analysis toolpak and click OK. So by now it must have been loaded into your Excel in order to use it for the analysis. So if it has been done, then when you click on Data tab, you should see it somewhere here, Data Analysis. Click on it. When you click on Data Analysis, highlight ANOVA single factor and click on OK. After that, check this box and then come back to your table and highlight all the groups on your table. After having done that, come back and check this box again. After that, highlight the columns, because all the groups that I'm having here, they are on the columns. If your own groups are on the rows, then you can highlight the rows. So that's the reason for checking the columns. So you check this label in a row. Alpha is the next thing to check. So alpha is representing the p-value. If the p-value is 0.0 is less or equal to 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative, and vice versa. Then output option. Output option is talking about how do you want your result to be printed. Then I want my result to be printed on the new worksheet. So that's why I click on this one. You can name that sheet as maybe favor, and then click on OK. Then the result is analyzed already. So that is how easy and fast it is. So if you can just follow those procedures, then you are good to go. You are good to go. This is the interpretation of your result. This is the interpretation of your result. SS represents the sum of the square, and it quantifies the variability between or within the groups. As you can see, we have between the groups and within the groups. So, and so on and so forth. If you need the interpretation, just follow what is written here, then you get it, or you can contact us later through our email address. So you can see DF, that's degree of freedom, is a number of the groups minus 1. We have 3 different groups. The minus 1 is equal to 2. That's why you see 2 here. Then number of observation in the total, that is 45. Then the degree of freedom is the total number of observations